In 1999, 21 Dutch Army cadets were dropped into a week-long combat course designed to break them. Sleep deprivation, freezing temperatures, constant physical strain. Half the cadets got a placebo. The other half got 10 grams a day of a plain amino acid called tyrosine, and researcher Jos Deijen found their cognitive test scores held steady while the placebo group's memory and focus collapsed. Tyrosine isn't a drug. It's a building block found in chicken, eggs, cheese, and fish, and your brain uses it to manufacture dopamine and norepinephrine, the two chemicals that let you concentrate under pressure. Under normal conditions, your liver keeps a small reserve on hand. But that reserve empties fast, and once it's gone, dopamine production slows down with it. Here's the number that matters. Blood tyrosine levels peak about 90 minutes after a protein-rich meal, then drop back to baseline within 4 hours. That 4-hour window is the rule. Eat protein, get roughly 4 hours of raw material for sharp, dopamine-driven focus, then the tank runs dry and your attention starts to drift, whether or not you notice it happening. If you've ever wondered why your focus falls apart around 2 p.m. even after a decent lunch, this is a piece of why. We post one of these a day, and tomorrow's is about the sugar spike hiding in that same lunch, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Here's the complication. Stress burns through tyrosine faster than a calm day does, which is exactly why Deijen tested it on soldiers under combat stress instead of office workers at a desk. The worse the mental load, the faster your reserve empties, and the sooner that 4-hour window slams shut. Deadline day at work might be quietly starving your brain of its own focus chemical by hour 3, not hour 4. Drop a comment if you felt that afternoon crash hit harder on your most stressful days, because that's not coincidence. So the fix isn't a supplement stack, it's timing. A protein-rich meal or snack every 4 hours, especially on your hardest days, keeps the tyrosine pipeline full and dopamine production from stalling out. Those cadets in the snow didn't outthink the crash, they just never ran out of raw material. Subscribe and hit the bell so tomorrow's brain rule lands in your feed before your next 2 p.m. slump does.